Hello everyone, I am Vamsi, and in today's video I am going to show you how to install code editor. This is an APK file, but this is 100% safe. It does not contain any virus. Let's install it. See, now I am going to open Rhythm Software website. It is the company who made that code editor. Let's see. Click rthsoft.com. I will give the link in description below. Just a minute. rtmsoft.com. Just a minute. See, I am in the rtmsoft.com website. These are their apps. This is Quick Edit, first edition of code editor. Where is this code editor? See, code editor, it is at the top. Click on that. And now download from here. If you want, you can also download from Google Play. If you cannot download it from there, click here. Click OK. Believe me, it is safe. Click on no. Here you can see the three dots. Click on that. Here you can see downloads. Click on that. And now click the file. Go to settings. Here you can see unknown resources. Turn it on. No problem. Turn it on. You can turn it off again. Now install this. Next. Install. Just wait 2 minutes. It does not take more than 2 or 3 minutes. I am passing this video. See, within 2 minutes it is installed. Click done. Now delete this APK file. Deleted. Now what you have to do is go to settings. And search for unknown. Here you can see unknown sources. Click on that. See, allow installation apps from unknown resources. Click turn it off. Now your device is protected and your code editor is also ready. Open it. It works excellently. It has more features than the Play Store edition. Go to settings and in visual styles select Cobalt. You can select whatever you want. Cobalt is my favorite, and I am going to increase font size because you have to see clarity. Font size 16 could be enough. Okay, this is enough. That's it for this video. This is safe, so you can install it. I will give the link in description below. Thanks for watching.